This is a dual feeder. It's a 2000 watts.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! It's cooking!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Be careful, be careful. It's very powerful. It's a dual feeder. Wow, it's very good. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
bitching.
Wow,
Can't
wow.
see anything.
Very good. I like this.
And I can't see anything.
You can see anything?
You gotta turn to green 5.
Five
Yeah.
lens?
Yeah, 5 lens is better.
Yeah, I got
That was
five
quick.
lens for this one.
Okay, you can try 5 lens, it's better. Then you can, or to be too dark.
Yeah.
Now we try to do a feeder. Let's see. Oh, your hand is very stable.
Yeah. Good welder.
Oh, come on. Come on.
He's a very good welder.
Wow. So, the bubble frequency for this one, you can see this kind of a difference.
I see.
Not that smooth, but it looks very high end.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why Brandon used this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean the bubble frequency.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Looks good.
Yeah. Nos están enseñando cómo soldar la soldadura.
It should be quarter inch, right?
¿Cómo? Sí,
I mean
ya
thickness. Okay. Come on.
Ok, todo bien. Ok, luego Marco. Bueno.
Oh, it's perfect.
Perfect. This is for this material.
So if you use thicker wire,
Yeah.
use 63 wire.
63
So it
warrior
should be
for
better.
take it, yeah. That's
It should
what
be
I
totally filled, these
Yeah.
parts.
said. This, and yet more harder than this won't work with this wire. No, this is not, the wire is too thin.
Yeah, wire too thin, correct.
Yeah.
You should,
Okay.
for this techniques, it's better use yeah,
63?
40,
45?
46 or 35. 30
Oh,
or
45.
40, yeah. No,
45.
no. 63,
63.
63.
Oh, 63.
double 63
Yeah.
wire will be better for this one. This part will be totally filled. It
Oh,
looks very beautiful.
okay. So this is probably better for this material. Huh?
Yeah. This one is quarter inch. This one is thinner one.
It's 316. No, this is little over 11 gauge.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Wow, it's
Póngale a
it's very beautiful.
He laughs.
Yeah, you can learn different
He's a happy
parameters.
guy.
Yeah, correct. He read it very well the first time.
Yeah, he's
so
a good one.
That thing I fit
you just pay attention to the angle, not too much. It's better for the protective lens. Yeah, but it's okay, no problem. Yeah.
Ready?
So it is. Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Nice. So beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. So it's a dual feeder. The speed is 100 centimeter per minute. And this is 2000 watts. The handheld as well.
What is, how deep, how much does it penetrate in there? For this.
For this machine, the penetration can go to quarter inch.
Quarter inch?
Yeah, you gotta use 90% or 100% power.
Okay.
When he weld, both sets of wire will just fit automatically from here. We use this pyramid. Nice. So it's very fast.
Huh?
It's very fast.
That's 3 past.
Yeah. We use 100.
We're using 100%?
No, we use 100 speed. Now the power is 70%. I think the power is good. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, you want to go higher or you want lower? Go lower. I can adjust for you.
I want to try 80.
80?
80.
Okay, let me change power for you.
No, right here.
80?
The wire feet.
Oh, okay, speed, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. That. So the pyramid keeps same.
Yeah. That feels good. The feet feel
Okay, let me give you 80. So 80 you can feel it better. Okay, now it's 80.
Okay, kalali mo na.
I think when you use 80 the feel status will be better.
Better.
here.
That's
Because it's
a
slower.
little bigger well.
Yeah. Then we can try 60 later.
Yeah. Un poquito más.
Yeah, you can feel it's better.
Yeah. Oh, you're looking around there.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not looking. Oh, like this. It's like-
I'm looking actually.
It's a little better, a little thicker one.
Yeah, it's different. It's a little bit different, right? This one 100, this one 80.
80.
Maybe we try, you want to try 60?
Okay.
Okay. Now we try the dual feeder speed 60. Okay. It's 60 now.
Hit that.
Oh. Oh, it's gotta be very big.
Okay, it's 60 now. You can try it.
Done.
Yeah.
It's much better. Yeah, it's 60 maybe too much power, right? See, this one seems a little bit black. Oh, not black. This color looks good. Yeah. So the feeling is better. The
Yeah.
feeling part is better.
Yeah, because sometimes it stays better because sometimes we weld this material not the same.
Yeah.
This go to half
I
inch.
understand.
You know what I
I
mean?
understand. Half inch and a quarter inch.
Yeah, but if you weld
They work
this,
together.
this, like this to this, different material,
Yeah.
you need a little bit
Correct.
more power, no?
Yeah, correct. You can find the best power, best of all frequency,
Yeah.
and the best speed for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can play with that. You want me to change the power for you or
No,
keep same?
we'll not try like that with it.
Okay. Oh, come on. Come on, you welded very good. Oh, come on. I cannot imagine that. You like that? It's very good.
Yeah. 60. I like it.
60. And the Volvo up to the Volvo frequency is good. 40.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. But the 40 is not that small.
Five at the top, right?
Huh?
5 at the top.
5, yeah, 5 is the top.
5 is top.
Yeah, 5 is top. You want to try?
From this one.
Tengah.
Some direction.
No, tadi aku dah sudah bilang.
See?
The laser welder dual feeding system. And the same thing, you can change language here, whatever language you want. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 language here. The welder likes the speed 60. And this is a pyramid. Oh, okay, that's fine. Let's see how you can work it out. Yeah, same.
Same thing.
Yeah, very
Yeah, I
good.
gotta adjust it.
Oh, I understand. I can see that. I can see that just the angle
Yeah.
of your arm. So, actually, it's very good. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. Nice.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah, it's penetrative. Wow. Speed is good. The power is good. Okay, nice. Nice. Quite strong.
That's better, huh?
Yeah, I see. This one less than 1/4 inch is penetrating.
Yeah,
It's
that's
6% power.
Burn through.
Yeah,
Too
burn
hot.
through. Yeah.
Too slow.
Yeah. If you want.
Too slow.
Yeah, correct. You can for this techniques you can go maybe 100 the speed.
Yeah.
Now it's 60.
60. Yeah, you can go a little faster.
You want to try faster?
That's okay. Yeah, you can try
Let me try. Let me try 80 for you.
80.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
80.
Okay. Let me hold this part for you.
No, I'm gonna make a hold it in the machine and do everything. For
Oh,
this.
be careful your
Yeah, you
feet.
gotta be very careful. You step
Yeah.
on it, you break
Yeah.
it, and
Yeah.
you know, it's
Yeah.
no good.
Now change speed for you.
Yeah.
Okay. 80.
80. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
So at 80, I go faster.
Yeah, correct. You go faster.
Let's see what it does.
Mm-hmm.
When I go slower and faster, yeah, she's slower.
Yeah,
it's still hot.
Yeah, you just hold the gun a little bit. I can
Yeah.
feel that. Maybe I'll try 100 for you. Okay?
100, okay.
Yeah. Okay, now it's 100, same power.
Now 100.
Yeah, it will be faster. You don't hold the gun, okay?
Okay. Ah.
No, Manuel, mira. Agarra los hijos. Manuel,
I'm doing this.
Manuel.
Yeah. Maybe he can try for
Deja el alambre, deja que te empuje. El alambre te empuja la luz.
Yeah.
I didn't see where I was going to. Why is it closed?
No,
Well, for this is